Tristan, what did you get today? Can you press it? Tristan, oh, is he singing to you? Say thank you, Great Grandma and Great Grandpa. I love it. Thank you for the gift card, too. Say thank you. Push it again. There you go. Are you giving Elmo kisses? Are you giving Elmo kisses? Yeah. Push the button. Tristan. Push right here. No, let's not eat the card.